Now this is day 3 farm vlog. Now as you can see, the horses are actually in the cow field. Well, better let the goats out, because they won't stop screaming. Hello. Okay, we got Rugby, Fisher, Baby, Mama Goat, hurry up. Said hurry up! Come on out. I feel like I've already stepped in like 3 pounds of horse crap. But, who cares? Now, today we're just gonna follow the goats all video. As you can see, they do not like me. Jeez, it's bright. I really wish I wore a hat. So badly. Oh yeah, rooster. Yep, they knocked it over. Oh, look, it's a barn cat. Yeah, it's not like those things are everywhere. Like, oh my gosh. And if y'all really want a video of just those things, that'll be hard, because both those things move fast, and I have no clue where they are. Hurry up, goats. We don't have all day. Yeah, this is just what they're eating. Oh, look at those horses. Isn't that right, horses?